Good morning, New Jersey. Your Santaland train, the North Pole Express, is on its way. This is in excellent condition. It's 20 years old, so it's in best shape that I ever seen one. And we'll start out with the caboose. It has no function like the rest of these. But or the log carrier, it doesn't either. It hooks right here on the back of the engine, like so. It's not too hard. When you put it in the box, make sure that this end goes in this way. That way you don't get it backwards. There's that. Now your two flatbeds. These guys, when it's rolling, they'll rock back and forth, or they go back and forth. I probably show it easier on the table. I don't know which one moves it, but there they go. They go. I don't know which one moves the wheels here. One of these. I guess it's this. There they go. They go backwards and forwards on this one. And the other flatbed has two little elves painting, and I think this is the ones, the candy cane turns. Alright, now let's get to the important stuff. This is your engine. It has two functions. One's the regular sound. And over here, we have a little switch right here on the side, which is forward and backward, and this one actually plays music. Like I said, this is 20 years old. It's in excellent condition. I'd handle it up here when you're taking the batteries in and out, but there's a little thing that turns, and this, let me get me a little screwdriver right here. This is actually locked in. This is open. You just grab it and pull that little battery pack out. Remove the batteries. I can't believe after 20 years I had no batteries blown up in this thing. It's in excellent shape. It's unbelievable, because generally these type of stuff, the plastic gets brittle. That's why I'd be careful handling it too much. But it's in excellent condition, and we're going to get it in the mail right away. We thank you for your purchase, and enjoy. Merry Christmas.